Hi guys, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel and I'm really happy to see you here today. So in this video, I will tell you how to trade against the trend. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video. There I share with you free signals every week. So let's get started. So guys, here is our pocket option account, and first I use indicator demarker and fractal house as well. So for the marker indicator, we just changed the colors of the main line is white, then green and red as here. For fractal, we also leave anything like this, and now we need to choose our currency pair, and after that I will explain to you everything. So here we can see an upward trend, all the indicators showing us that we need to open a trade up, but we will open a trade down because who we are to follow the rules. I think that's how a lot of subscribers of my channel thinking and doing everything like I didn't say. So actually guys, it's pretty easy also to understand. So for example, here we can see that it's an upward trend right now. All the indicators is showing us to do a trade up, but here is a big thing, that it's an upward trend already for a long time and it's the resistance level. So if we will see on the old chart, this is the highest point of the chart and buyers couldn't break this level. They couldn't go higher. So that's why it's gonna be a reversal and our chart will go down. So that's why I open a trade down. When all the chart, when all the indicators saying us to do a trade up, we do a trade down because it's gonna be a reversal, because our chart achieved the resistance level and boom, it will go down right now. So yeah guys, by the way, the time for our trades here for 3 minutes, it's more careful and not so riskful. Amount of money for one trade is $100. And also guys, I'm always telling you that you can use maximum 3%, maximum 5% of your deposit. It also depends how much money you have in your account. So for example, if you have $100 in your account, you should use 1% of your deposit. So you should use $1 per one trade, so you will not lose your money and you split your money into the steps. So for example, if you will not win the first trade, you will do a catch up for $2. You will win this trade, the second trade, and you will cover the losses from your first trade. So this is the thing. Or for example, if you will not win the second trade, you will open another trade already for $4. So every time you double your trade. And that's why you need to use only 1% of your deposit. You need to trade per one trade with the money that you are not afraid to lose. So you're not afraid to lose $1, it's great. Put it on the trade. That's it. Only 1% actually. This is my recommendation. But some of the people have only $50, for example, in their account, and they can do only $1 trade, right? So that's why I'm always telling you and I'm recommending you to do a deposit at least at $50, $100. But of course, not everyone can do it. So I'm not pushing you, but I'm just telling you that you need to use only $1 per one trade. So guys, we had our profit. That's great. As you can see, it's working pretty well. We were pretty close, but still we won. And here we opened a trade up for 3 minutes. We can see that all the indicators, even the chart, showing us a downward trend. It was an upward trend for, also here I opened another 2 trades for already $200 because we just opened our last trade not in really good position, but it's okay. So our chart is showing us a downward trend. Also, the white line of the marker is going down and almost intersects the red line of the marker. So it shows us it's like a downward trend. But the thing is that here, I think the chart achieved the lowest point of its chart, because we can see that it was a downward trend, then boom, and it's a green candles. So it means that the sellers could not break this level again and the buyers is winning, the green candles is winning. So that's why I open a trade up. This is pretty riskful. This is not a support and resistance level, but still it's, you know, it's working pretty good. As you can see now, we are in the profit in all of 3 deals, but let's wait for the result, of course. But actually, I really recommend you to open a trades against the trend only if you are sure that this is support or this is resistance level, because sometimes the chart could break the resistance or support level. Sometimes, because it's unpredictable. I'm always telling you that. I'm always telling you that not any of the strategy in the world, not any indicator will give you 100% signals. Not any of the people in this world, even professional traders, they will not give you 100% signals. Maybe 1 signal, maybe 2 signal, but not like, I don't know, 100 profitable signals. No one can do it because the market is unpredictable and sometimes it's working not like we want. So that's why I'm always telling you guys, don't believe that traders who's telling you that their signals is 100% profitable. And also don't believe the traders who show you that they want all the trades in their YouTube videos or something like this. This is not true. This is video editing and that's it. I'm trading on my YouTube videos on live time and I'm showing you everything. Like I'm not cutting the lost deals or something. Like I'm showing you everything. It is what it is. So yeah, please know that. Let's see how it's going. It's going not so well right now, but it's okay. You need to be calm when you trade. It's 4, 3, 2, 1 till the end of the first trade, and maybe we will win. But as you can see, we're really close. So here I opened 5 more trades for $100 each for 3 minutes because, as we can see, it was not the end of the downward trend and it's going down also right now. So I opened another trade. So this is disadvantage of trading against the trend. And I'm even happy that it happens because I can show you the disadvantage of that. When you think like, oh, it will probably go up because it's already achieved the lowest point of this chart, and for example, the sellers could not break this level, so it will definitely go up, you think, but actually the chart is like, oh, no, it's not, and I will go down again, you know? So that's the problem with this kind of strategy, because market is unpredictable again. But at the same time, it's like with this, so for example, sometimes you use 3 indicators, I don't know, moving average, RSI line, and something else, and all the signals telling you to open a trade higher, and then the chart went down. You know what's happening, but maybe it's in news or maybe it's something else, you know, happened on the market, and that's why. But all the signals were showing me to do a signal up. Sometimes it's not working, and this is true. So you need to analyze a lot of things: support, resistance level, technical fundamental analysis, everything. So yeah, and even if you analyze all of this thing, it could not go in the direction you want. Sometimes this happened because this is market. It's unpredictable. I'm always telling you that. So yeah, guys, let's wait. So guys, now we can see that our chart is growing. It's working pretty well. So yeah, we're just waiting for our deal to close. So as you can see, it could work. And if you want, you can try it on demo account. On demo account, guys, please, not on real account, because trading against the trend, it's more for professional traders who can analyze a lot of things at the same time in just 1 minute or maybe even less. So this is really riskful. Like, this is the more riskful strategies that you ever see, is trading against the trend, because actually trend is your friend, and this is true. So yeah, guys, we had our profit. It was really interesting trades actually, and I hope you like it. And text me in the comments, what do you think about trading against the trend? You ever tried it, or maybe you want to try it? But disclaimer, please try it on demo account first before you decided to start trading on your real account. And yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. There I give you free signals every week. Also, I have a live trading session in Telegram and YouTube as well, so don't miss this opportunity to trade with me in live time. Not a lot of traders have this opportunity, so I hope you will join, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course, and see you on the next trading session. Bye bye.